All right. Next, we're going to look at a slightly more challenging problem. This says finding the area and perimeter of the shaded region of a triangle. Find the area and perimeter of the shaded region of a triangle. So I'm just looking for the area and perimeter of the shaded one. So all I want to have anything to do with is this guy right here. So I want to start off with area. So for area, remember base times height divided by 2. I do not have my height. I am missing my height. Please, oh please, please help me find my height. So for that height, I can do Pythagorean theorem because I have this triangle over here next to it. The heights are shared, and I have a hypotenuse of 5 and a side length of 3. I can easily solve this by doing Pythagorean theorem. H squared plus 3 squared equals 5 squared. If you are getting comfortable with your Pythagorean triples, that H is going to be 4. It's going to be 4. So for my area, I take that height, 4 centimeters, multiply that by 15 centimeters of my base. I'm just looking at the base of the shaded triangle, not the big triangle. I'm going to put that all over 2. 15 times 4. Ow. Oops, that's the wrong number. 15 times 4 is 60. And 60 divided by 2 is 30 centimeters squared. So that's my area. So that's one part of the puzzle. But next it's asking me to find the perimeter. So now I need to find the other side I am missing, which is over here. I don't have this side of my triangle. So I'm going to do Pythagorean theorem again. I'm going to have 15 squared plus 4 squared equals x squared. My fingers can't type on the calculator. So that gives me x squared equals 241. So x is root 241. I'm just going to keep that whole radical with me so that way I don't accidentally mess up rounding anything until the very end. And so for my perimeter of just the shaded triangle, I take root 241 plus, and make sure this does not go underneath the radical. This is outside of the radical if you need, put parentheses around your radical. Plus 4 plus 15. Plus 4 plus root 241. And when I add that all together, that gives me 34.5, if I round to the nearest tenth, centimeters.